channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model, this 3D Origami Cardinal Bird. It is a very beautiful model. Somebody asked me for this model, and I enjoy working for this. I learn a lot of new things, and I hope I will use these things in the next tutorials. It is a very beautiful bird, and I hope you will like. Now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece, and this is the rectangular of paper for large pieces. You will obtain 32 pieces like this from a A4 piece of paper, and the dimensions are 5.4 by 3.6 centimeters. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will find in the description of the video a tutorial about how to cut the paper and how to fold these 3D origami pieces. And now our pieces is finished, and you can see there is a huge difference between these two, and I will use 6 pieces connected together in a row, put the edges in the pocket, and then with my finger or with a round pen I give this nice round shape. I recommend you all to make pieces like this. The model will look very beautiful, and it is very easy to work with them. For this model we need a lot of red pieces and some black, and of course some small pieces orange for the peak and the legs. And first I will show you how I glue. I use a paper solid stick glue. You can find this in every office supply store. I put some glue inside the pockets and then connect with other pieces like this. And we connect pieces in this way. The first row will be only black pieces. In the second row we have 2 black, these two, and the rest of the pieces will be red. And in the third row we have 1 black piece and here, and the rest of the row will be red pieces. Let's put all these pieces together. And now we have this. We have 5 black pieces in the first row, 2 black and 2 red in the second, and 2 red and 1 black in the third row. And now we close here with 1 red. We complete the second row with 1 red, and then in the third row we put 2 red like this. And we have a very small 3D origami base, and we have this black pattern here and the rest red. Now we increase the number of pieces in a row. We have 5 pieces in the third row, and we double the number, we increase to 10. And we increase like this. We put 1 piece here between the 2 pieces from the previous row, and we put 1 black piece here, then 1 red here above, and another 1 black. Now we increase again here with another black piece, and then 1 black and 1 red. Increase again, and we put above 2 red pieces, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. And now in the third and in the fourth row we have 10 pieces. Here where we have these black pieces will be the lower part of our head of our bird, and the red part will be the upper part. And next we put an entire red row like this. Next we put another red row. Now here on the middle, see we have these three red pieces in the second row, and on the same line we increase here with one piece like this, and then we put two pieces above and another one here and here. And now we let these two edge free, and here we put 1, 2, 5 red pieces, and we have again two empty edges here. Now we put one piece in this free edge here, like this, and we repeat on the other side in this edge. And now we have 7 pieces here in the lower part of the bird, and now we put 6 pieces here. Next, here on the lower part, we close the row here. We put these two edges in one piece like this, then 5 normal pieces, and we repeat, we close again here these two edges in one piece. Next, here on the upper part we finish the crest, and we put 3 pieces above these 4 here. Then we put 2 above and another one. Glue very well, and we push a little bit. Next we push a little bit like this to shape the crest, and now we glue. Do not forget to glue every piece. We put pieces like this, 3 pieces in the first row and 4 in the second row, like this. In total 7 pieces. Now we put this part here. We put this first pocket here in this first edge, and then the pocket here in this first edge here. We start from here and we put like this, and then on the other side like this. And now we close again the neck after the crest, and we complete the rest of the row with 6 red pieces. And now we have again 10 pieces in a row. Next we put another red row, another 10 pieces, red pieces. Now here, where we have the last 2 black pieces, we increase the number of the pieces, we increase with 2 pieces. And on this line, this is the red in the middle, and here in this edge we put 1 piece like this. In the next edge we put again 1 piece. We repeat, in this edge here another piece, and in the first edge there another piece like this. And in this way we increase with 2 pieces the number in this row. And now we complete the rest of the row with red pieces. I hope you see. I will show you again. We have these 4 edges here on the line with the black ones, and in each edge I put 1 piece like this. And now we have 12 pieces in this row. Next we put an entire normal red row like this, 12 red pieces. Now we have 12 pieces and we increase with 4 pieces. We increase to 16 and we push a little bit like this to make some space. And first again, here on the middle of the lower part we put 2 normal pieces like this. And then here we increase, we put 1 piece in the first edge, then another piece in the next edge, and we repeat 1 piece in this edge and another one in this edge. And in this way we increase with 2 pieces. And we repeat here, we increase again with 2 like this. one piece in the first edge, then one piece in the next edge, and repeat. And then the rest of the row we complete with red pieces. With 6 red pieces. Now we have 16 pieces in this last row, and now we put an entire red row like this. Don't forget to glue these pieces.